At CNH Industrial Reman, we are dedicated to setting best practices focused on continuous improvement of our products while providing peace of mind. We believe in the products we produce and the procedures we follow. To prove the quality of our products and remanufacturing processes are the best value for a genuine remanufactured option on the market, a dedicated team of engine experts purchased a competitor's ISM engine to conduct a detailed internal analysis. The team reviewed everything from the engine's arrival at our facility, to the performance on the dyno, to the competitor's assembly and quality of the engine. Each component of the competitor's engine was carefully examined and thoroughly inspected, and then compared to CNH Reman's ISM engine specifications used during our remanufacturing process. When you select CNH Reman's genuine ISM engine, you are not only getting an engine, but peace of mind with an OEM quality engine, backed by an industry-leading warranty and authorized by Case IH, Case Construction, and New Holland Agriculture and Construction Dealer Support. Our genuine remanufactured components are cost competitive in the market and a sustainable option to keep equipment running longer. All CNH Reman ISM replacement engines arrive drop-in ready, designed with the highest quality workmanship, creating long-lasting performance to keep your equipment operating longer. Available when you need it, so it reduces equipment downtime and getting you back on the job quicker. CNH Reman ISM engines are remanufactured and tested to OEM specifications specifically for Case Construction and New Holland Ag and Construction skid steers. Unlike rebuilt or repaired engines where the engines are only torn down and repaired to the point of failure, CNH Industrial's genuine remanufactured ISM engines are completely disassembled and returned to OEM specifications. All wearable components are replaced with 100% new, and the replacement engines are fully performance tested when finished. CNH Industrial Reman is continuously making significant investments in tools and technology in order to provide the best option and unequaled quality for a remanufactured option on the market. CNH Reman provides superior warranty protection and backs ISM engines by an industry-leading 24-month warranty when installed by an authorized CNH Industrial authorized dealer. For a complete list of our warranty, please visit mycnhreman.com. Then click on Warranty Coverage. Upon arrival at our facility, the competitor's remanufactured ISM engine did not arrive drop-in ready. It was missing the turbocharger, oil cooler, and oil filter. These missing components are proof the competitor's engine was not tested prior to leaving the competitor's remanufacturing facility. Once all missing components were added, the engine was placed on the engine dyno, where it tested low on horsepower. These results can lead to a lack of performance in the engine, creating customer dissatisfaction. After the dyno test, the engine was disassembled. Once inside the competitor's engine, contamination levels and critical aspects of the engine did not meet OEM specifications, which can cause permanent engine failure. A closer inspection revealed sealing surfaces were not within OEM specification, causing immediate leaks. In addition to the competitor's engine missing components, low performance on the test bench, signs of contamination, and measuring outside OEM specifications in multiple areas, it also only had a 1-year warranty coverage. Our team noted everything from visual inspection to internal attributes. After unpackaging the engine, there was no turbocharger, turbocharger oil feed, oil return tubes, oil cooler, or oil filter. Important fitment parts such as hose clamps, bolts, gaskets, sealing washers, O-rings, and orifice bolts were also missing from the engine. Without these items, it shows the engine was not performance tested prior to leaving the competitor's facility. The missing parts add an extra 22% to the price of the engine, where CNH Reman replacement engines arrive drop-in ready, with all the components needed to install it into the machine. All these missing parts are not only adding a significant cost to the price of the competitor's engine, It also increases installation time and shop labor hours, keeping you off the job site longer. After all missing components were added, the competitor's engine was placed on the dyno to test the performance of the engine. Results showed the engine tested at a lower horsepower than OEM specification. Results outside OEM specification can lead to dissatisfied customers because of an underperforming engine. At CNH Reman, our complete replacement engines are dyno tested to meet OEM specification. If the engine does not perform within tolerance when tested, it is disassembled and reassembled to meet OEM specifications. Once we reviewed the internal components of the competitor's engine, multiple cylinder bore defects were noticed. Signs of scoring were found in the cylinder bores, which is caused by contamination and improper fueling. For an added quality measure, CNH Reman ISM engines are bore scoped after dyno testing to ensure no scoring defects. Additionally, the competitor's engine's inner diameters of the cylinder bores and the top deck RA surface finish were outside the OEM specifications. These types of defects may decrease engine performance and cause durability issues. At CNH Reman, our genuine remanufactured engine's cylinder bore attributes, such as inner diameters and surface finish, are checked according to OEM specification before the engine is moved to the next step in the remanufacturing process. A closer inspection shows the crankshaft used in the competitor's engine did not meet OEM specification. Debris was found on the number 2 and number 3 rod journal oil holes and crankshaft journals. This indicates more contamination in the engine and can lead to bearing failure, low oil pressure, and premature engine failure. CNH Reman's process implements quality initiatives, such as sediment testing, to prevent contamination and debris in our genuine remanufactured parts. The crankshaft main journals and both the front and rear sealing surfaces, RA, were over OEM specification in the competitor's engine. Sealing surfaces outside OEM specification can cause leaks. Scoring marks that match the bearings were also found on the crankshaft. Crankshaft main journals and crankshaft connecting rod journals did not meet OEM specification, and rod journals were not within the out-of-round specifications. These defects can cause premature bearing failure. CNH Reman's ISM engines measure main journals, rod journals, and roundness to ensure each meets OEM specifications prior to the engine being assembled further. All 4 of the pistons showed signs of combustion bypassing the first ring, leading to pressure issues causing premature engine failure. The connecting rod wrist pen seized and had to be pressed out of the piston. Connecting rods in this condition can result in a low-hour engine failure. The ends of the number 1 and number 4 connecting rod pins showed signs of extreme heat, causing durability issues in the connecting rod. Crank and piston pin bore inner diameters, out-of-roundness measurements, and surface finish were all outside of OEM specifications, which cause oil pressure issues. Not only were these measurements outside of OEM specifications, debris was also found on connecting rod pin bores and bearings. When inspecting the camshaft, additional debris was found on the camshaft journals. CNH Reman conducts a 100% camshaft inspection of all lobes and journals. The competitor's fuel pump lobe showed signs of excessive wear, and the valve train lobes showed signs of damage and mishandling. These defects can lead to premature engine failure. To prevent this, CNH Reman utilizes a thorough inspection process to eliminate issues like this and provide top-quality parts designed to perform as good as new parts, if not better. With removal of the cylinder head valve cover, additional internal debris was discovered. A closer look revealed visible rust was found on the valve seats and inside the head on all exhaust ports. Number 1 cylinder had significant carbon buildup compared to cylinders 2 through 4. The exhaust and intake valve springs were out of specification, affecting how the valves opened and closed. Valve springs were reused on competitors' engine. However, CNH Reman replaces them with 100% new springs. A white crystallized debris was found in the number 1 intake port. This same material was found in the coolant system later in the analysis. These cylinder head issues can lead to reduced performance and can result in premature failure. More issues were discovered on the competitor's valve train components, likely resulting in additional performance problems and premature failure. Debris was present on the valve train and push rods. Valve stem caps had signs of excessive wear. Intake valve lash measurements and rocker shaft diameters did not meet OEM specification, and glow plugs showed excessive burn patterns. These findings could result in oil pressure and starting issues with the competitor's engine. After removing the oil pan, a sand-like mixture and what appeared to be bearing wear were found in the bottom of the pan. The coolant drain on the block was covered with the same white crystallized material found on intake port number 1, and contamination was on the thermostat housing and thermostat. Severe rust was discovered in the water port on the side of the head. All of the signs of contamination, debris, and rust could result in premature engine failure. The fuel injectors had opening pressure and leaking issues, creating engine performance problems with horsepower and durability issues with cylinder bores and pistons. Fuel injector problems can lead to poor running conditions, starting problems, and engine misfires. To prevent this in CNH Reman's engines, all fuel injectors are 100% opening pressure checked and air decay leak tested. Upon comparing data from the competitor's remanufactured ISM engine, multiple components inside the engine failed to meet OEM specifications. The contamination, debris, and rusting, as well as the hot spots, dyno performance, and surface finish, do not pass our remanufacturing specifications. We do not allow an engine of this quality to leave our facility. CNH Reman provides OEM quality parts and remanufactures them to last the life of the equipment. Our remanufacturing processes have significant investments in tooling and technology designed to create parts that get you back on the job quicker with shorter turnaround time in the shop and keeps your equipment running longer. For a full line of CNH Reman genuine remanufactured parts, please visit your local authorized Case IH, Case Construction, or New Holland Agriculture and Construction dealership today.